Hi, I want to show you the food that I am eating uh, for a for a few days, almost 1 month. You know, I eat smoothie, and when I ate this smoothie, I found out that um, even though I didn't eat um, on some foods like bread, rice, and meat. I'm just eating this smoothie. It makes me slender and slim, and also I didn't feel hungry uh, after I ate this smoothie. This smoothie is made of fruits like melon and milk and yeah, and some ingredients. That's why if you want to try this, you will feel that uh, every time you are hungry or you want to have a break, instead of eating some food that is heavy with calories, with high calories, you can just eat this smoothie. This flavor is so delicious, and it makes me feel full. That's why it makes me healthy also, and also makes my body slender and slim. So why don't you try this? Thank you.